Hi friends, today I'm gonna play the game Fill in the Fridge. This is the first game and the first video on my YouTube channel. Come, let's play. Yeah, first I'm gonna start with the bucket. I think it's somewhat nice. Now, yeah, the cool drinks would be nice with the baby. Hmm, what can we do? Eggs. Yeah, what happened? Yes, now it's perfect. I think we have to fill all the things out. Yeah, next the chocolate. I think chocolate is nice, right? And what can we keep it with it? Yeah, cookies. Chocolate and cookies are the best combinations. Yeah, it is nice. But the plate is somewhat not visible and the color is somewhat same. The stupid ads. I hate ads. You know, ads are the worst things. Yeah, now we can play. Yeah, now I'm gonna keep sprinkles. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yep. This is also sprinkles. One place is full. Now I'm gonna keep chocolate or something like that. I don't know what is this. Fill it with the chocolate. Fill it. I think my voice is not that nice, but it's okay. This is the last one. Come, we can fill it. Oh no. I think I have to use this. Yeah. Again. Now it's perfect. Yeah, yeah. Yay, we have finished the level. Woohoo!